Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up fixed rate ship-ins on Whatnot. Firstly, you need to turn on flat rate for all future shows. Open the Whatnot app and tap the Seller Hub at the bottom. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner and then go to Ship It. Tap Domestic Shipments and toggle on Flat Rate boxes. An optional check Apply for scheduled shows if you want it to apply to upcoming shows automatically. Then tap Save. Now when scheduling or editing a show, go to Shipping Options and toggle on Flat Rate just for that show. And when creating a manual order or adjusting shipping for one buyer, you can enable flat rate just for that single shipment. This makes shipping simpler and more predictable for both you and the buyers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this.